Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So as you've already read by the title, this is gonna be me eating mangoes for 24 hours. I'll be making mango dishes and not just mango is what I'm trying to do in this challenge. I don't really do challenges, but this challenge is like it's made for me because back at our home we have 6 mango trees and like every tree has different kind of mangoes. Like some mangoes तो we don't even know the names. मैं तो मतलब कच्चे आम से लेकर एकदम पक जाने तक मैं सब कुछ खाती हूँ. मतलब I love mangoes. Like my favorite fruit has to be mangoes and mangoes. By the way, I'm saying back at our home because we are in the apartment right now. I'm not in my home. Like this is also home, but I'm not in the mango wala home. This is the last year in which we are having mangoes. Like 6 mango trees. Like this is the last year because अगले साल से तो होगा नहीं. And we have to buy mangoes. And yeah, like पेड़ का वो आम तो मतलब अलग ही होता है. The mangoes, by the way, which I'll be making for this challenge are from our like the mango trees only. No mango is bought from outside. This is the month of June. अगले महीने तक इतना आम रहेगा नहीं. So yeah, I'm gonna miss this because this is the last year. But anyways, so yeah, that is the backstory behind this challenge. By the way guys, all the dishes, like I'll try to make the dishes by my own because I can do like snacks here and there and I love doing that, but I'll like try not to take my mom's help, but let's see, maybe she's gonna help me in something. But yeah, I'll try to do the dishes. That's all I had to say. And if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Now let's get into the challenge. Good morning guys. So it's a day of having mangoes for 24 hours. So we are not at our home, like we are in the new apartment, so we don't have everything required like we have. I have bought everything from home, but few things are still left. So me and my dad, we were just going out to buy some stuffs for here. So we'll be getting those also which are required for this challenge, and after that I'll be making the breakfast. And for breakfast I'm having mango pancake, and yeah, I'll be making that. I have pancake but I've never tried mango pancake. I have tried banana pancake as well. So I'll be having mangoes for this whole 24 hours. I love mangoes, but I really don't know how this challenge is gonna work. So let's go. Like I'll be quickly getting all the things which we require, like only few things, but after that I'll be making the breakfast and I'll see you then. For making the mango pancake, add 2 cups of maida and about 3 teaspoons of baking powder and keep it aside in different bowl. And in another bowl add butter, 1 egg and about 2 spoons of sugar, or add more sugar, and then mix it really well, and then add the maida and the baking powder inside it, and then again mix it really well, and then add 1 cup of milk and mix it until this forms this kind of consistency, and mix it again, and then add the mango puree and again mix. And then when it's mixed really properly, then in a frying pan add oil and brush it, and then add your batter, and it would take 2 to 3 minutes, and then your mango pancake is all ready to be served. So here it is, and this is how it looks. So I've added maple syrup as well, just in case, because I normally have pancakes with maple syrup only. But I've also added mangoes in here, just for decoration. Let's try it. Okay, let me have a bite with mango and the next one with maple syrup. With mango it tastes really good, like sweet, and it has only the taste of mangoes. But let me try it with maple syrup. I think with mango it tastes better. Maple syrup also tastes good, but with mango the flavor is more good. It's already 11:30 though. Like I'm having my breakfast at 11:30. Mango pancake definitely tastes better with mango. So if you're having, you can have it with mango. You will only like it if you have a sweet tooth. I don't have a sweet tooth, so I'm not enjoying it. But with mango it tastes better, and I love mango. So yeah. Hi guys, so I had the mango pancake, and honestly I didn't like it because I don't have a sweet tooth, and it was too much for me, like too much sweet for me. So yeah, I couldn't even have another one. Like I had 3, but the rest I couldn't have. So yeah, that's the review about that. Like I like pancakes, but I think the mango one was like too much sweet for me, so I didn't like it. So I would consider the first one as like kind of fail, but I'm glad that the next dishes are not going to be sweet, which I don't think, like after having that pancake I like can't even imagine me having another mango sweet dish. But leaving that aside, you can definitely try mango pancake for your own. You may like it or you may not like it, so you can give it a try. Hi guys, so it's lunch time and I'm having mango rice, and it's raw mango, by the way. I'll be quickly making the lunch because otherwise it's gonna be too late and I'll miss the evening snacks, which I don't wanna. So now let's get started with making the lunch. I always do this and then I forget what's the line, but now let's go. For making the raw mango rice, I'm adding oil and I'm also frying 3 dried red chilies, and then fry it really well. Also add 3 green chilies and slice them. Then I'm adding jeera and then cook for 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, and then I'm adding raw grated mango, 1 grated mango. Then again mix it really well and do this in medium flame. Then add haldi powder and chili powder and mix and mix and mix, and then add rice, your boiled rice which I've already prepared, and then mix it really well. It will turn yellow in color, and then serve it and have it and enjoy. And this is how it looks, by the way. And yeah, it's ready to be served. Hi guys, so my mango rice is here, and I don't have much expectations for this because I didn't have half of the ingredients. Let's try it. It's good. Like it's a bit tangy. If you like tangy dishes, you will definitely like it. Also it's spicy, like it's too spicy, but I like spicy. Like I can eat spicy foods, but if you don't like spicy, then maybe add maybe 2 chilies or maybe 1 chili, and don't add the chili powder. I added that because I wanted to make it spicy, because I didn't know how it's gonna taste, but it actually tastes good. Also I think it would taste better with raita. I had a raita recipe also, like a mango raita, but I didn't make it because I didn't even check how it's made, and I don't know how to make it, so yeah, I didn't make it. Also if you just have it with curd, it will taste good. So but yeah, but you should definitely try it out because it is good. Like it's really good. And also I couldn't grate all the mangoes, so there are some pieces, and मतलब pieces के साथ अगर मैं खा रही हूँ तो और भी अच्छा लग रहा है. Quickly finish this because कैमरा के सामने मैं नहीं खा सकती, तो क्या excuse this by the way. But yeah, and मैं ऐसे ऐसे राइस खाते खाते, मतलब इफ़ यू आर बंगाली यू नो दैट राइस, मतलब घर में नहीं खा सकते हम लोग राइस, सिर्फ टेबल में बैठ के ही राइस खाना होता है. मतलब लोग खाते हैं बट मैं कभी नहीं खाई हूँ. एंड यू कैन टच ऑल्सो, लाइक बाल वाल या फिर अपने आप को नहीं छू सकते तो हम राइस खाते खाते. बट आई एम डूइंग दिस बिकॉज इट डजंट फील लाइक राइस. लाइक दिस feels like kind of like not the original rice. I can't explain you, but if you are a Bengali you can totally relate to this. I'm not making sense, like Bengali moms won't get me, but Bengali kids would definitely get me because असली राइस और ये वाला राइस में डिफरेंस है. मतलब इसको खाते खाते तुम बेडरूम में भी आ सकते हो, तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो. या बट नाउ without blabbering I should really finish. By the way guys, I had it, like it's empty, it's totally empty. एंड मैं इतना अच्छे से तो राइस भी नहीं खाती हूँ. अभी थोड़ा तीखा लग रहा है, बट आई हैव अ रियली गुड टॉलरेंस फॉर स्पाइस. आई एम फ्लेक्सिंग यू गाइस. Hi guys, so it's evening and now I want something to have like a bit spicy, so I'll be making mango salsa. Mango salsa is actually a Mexican dish, and if someone would have told me to eat mangoes with something like which you will usually eat with sprouts. Mango salsa is a dish which is supposed to be prepared with ripe mangoes, and with that you have to add like tomatoes, chili, onion, capsicum, and coriander leaves and everything to make it spicy. But mango has a sweet flavor, so also lemon, so spicy, tangy, and sweet. Be quickly like getting all the things ready, because mango salsa it's not gonna take long. It's just a thing which you have to mix and eat. So I'm just gonna cut the onions and tomatoes and chilies and everything, and after that I'm gonna take you guys with me to see how I prepared the thing. So for making the mango salsa, I've chopped one mango and then I've added chilies, tomatoes, onion and capsicum, and then mix it really gently. Don't be harsh with it. And also add lemon, and I've added 1 teaspoon of salt. Add salt according to your preference and mix it really gently. And this is the serving, and have it with Lay's or maybe nachos and enjoy. Okay, so let's taste this. And I really don't have expectation from this, because I've never like even thought about this kind of a dish, but let's try. It tastes good, but again it's super spicy, and it has sweet flavor as well as tangy. Tangy is like very little, but the spice is extreme. Also you can have this with nachos. It actually tastes good, like थोड़ा सा मीठा है and तीखा है बहुत, तो it tastes good. But I will be having this with Lay's. This is the blue Lay's, by the way. Lay's का फ्लेवर आया ही नहीं, मतलब क्रंची लगा पर कोई फ्लेवर नहीं आया, एंड टू स्पाइसी. मतलब मुझे लगा कुछ अजीब सा टेस्ट होगा, क्योंकि इट्स स्वीट एज वेल एज स्पाइस, बट बहुत ज़्यादा ही तीखा है. लेस के ऊपर लेके खाते हैं, या लेस के ऊपर, मतलब अगर ऊपर थोड़ा सा इफ यू टेक, it tastes good. You can actually definitely try it out, because this is so different than what we usually have. Like स्वीट के साथ कभी तीखा भी मैंने कभी नहीं खाया है, मतलब आम के साथ, स्वीट के साथ नहीं. But this is really different, and you may like it, like taste, but सबका preference अलग अलग होता है, so you may like it or you may not, but you should definitely try it out. Guys, I found the ultimate thing which you should have with the mango salsa if you ever try it out. So I randomly got this, like this is the Sunfeast all-rounder chatpata masala, and guys it tastes so good. like लेस के साथ तो इतना फ्लेवर समझ में आ ही नहीं रहा था, मैंगो सालसा पूरा डोमिनेट कर रहा था, बट इसके साथ इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब फ्लेवर पूरा अलग टाइप का ही आ रहा है, एंड it tasted kind of fuchka. So even my mom said like it has a taste like a flavor of fuchka, which I don't know how. Hi guys, so I just had the mango salsa and it was too spicy, you guys. like मुझे ऐसे मतलब सर्दी टाइप का हो गया था, इतना तीखा है. So by the way it's 7:25 already, and रात को आई एम थिंकिंग टू हैव मैंगो कस्टर्ड, बिकॉज सुबह से मैं इतना कुछ खाई हूँ, मुझे और कुछ खाने का मन भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो आई एम थिंकिंग टू जस्ट मेक अ डेजर्ट, and yeah, and for that I have to make it like now only, so that I can freeze it and then I can have it at night. तो मतलब थोड़ा सा मैं अभी चिल करूँगी, but then I'll be quickly making it and I'll be showing you that. Boiled around 1 cup of milk, and then उसमें से थोड़ा milk लेके I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of custard powder. Then mix it well and add it to your milk. Then boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Also I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'm adding the mango pulp. This is 1 mango, by the way. I'm straining it so that it's fine, and then I'm mixing it well, and then let it cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes, like 15-20 minutes, and then freeze it. I'm also adding like pieces of mango. Then freeze it, and within 2 hours your custard will be ready. Hi guys, so it's dinner time, and for dinner I'm having mango custard. So I made it around 8 o'clock, I would say, and now it's 10:30. Yeah, 10:20, 10:30, I'm telling you the time because there is a reason. My custard, it's not set, so it still has the flowy kind of texture which custard should not have, and I don't know what's the case. Like, I do everything perfectly, but every time my custard just doesn't form custard. It forms like, I don't know, maybe milk mixed with some mixture. It doesn't form custard. It doesn't even form the milkshake wala consistency. Anyways, so let me try it out. Tastes good, like really good, like custard. But अगर कस्टर्ड बन जाता, मतलब वो कंसिस्टेंसी अगर आ जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता. ये तो मैं ऐसे मतलब सिप करके भी पी लूँगी. पर if anyone knows what am I doing wrong, please comment down, because you guys know how I made it, but I just don't know what is going wrong in that. ये खा के मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब लिटरली अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि दिस इज़ कोल्ड एंड इट्स सो हॉट, लाइक सीरियसली सो हॉट. सो ये ठंडा भी है एंड कस्टर्ड भी है. सो मुझे अभी मन का शांति मिल रहा है थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि सुबह से मैं इतना कुछ खाई हूँ, मतलब इतना डिफरेंट टाइप्स का चीज़ें खाई हूँ. तो अभी रात के लिए मतलब कुछ नॉर्मल सा डेजर्ट सा ही अच्छा है. Still I didn't even prepare something heavy for night, like a dish kind of. I only went for dessert because ठीक है, मतलब अगर मैंगो का हर चीज़ में दिखा रही हूँ मैं. वेट अ मिनट, आई डिड शो एवरीथिंग, लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट से लेके, ब्रेकफास्ट में जो आइडियल होता है वो, लंच में फुल फ्लेजेड लंच, एंड इवनिंग के लिए टैंगी सा स्पाइसी सा थिंग विच वी ऑल क्रेव at evening. Wow, this is going perfectly well. I didn't even realize it. I've kept the custard. I'll be having it. But yeah guys, like this is the end of the video. I had my, like I'll be having the dinner, and this is the end of the 24 hours challenge. I really enjoyed it and I'm also really tired because मैं इतना खाना कभी नहीं बनाई ज़िंदगी में. एंड ऑल्सो इवनिंग में इतना मैं स्नैक्स खाती भी नहीं हूँ नॉर्मल, मतलब डे टू डे बेसिस में मैं नहीं खाती हूँ इवनिंग पे. पर या मतलब मुझे पता भी नहीं था, ऑनेस्टली मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मैंगो का भी इतना डिशेस हो सकता है, क्योंकि मैंगो मतलब मैंगो तो मैं मैंगो की तरह ही खाती हूँ. सिर्फ इफ़ यू आर इन अ बंगाली फैमिली, यू नो, आम डाल, फिर मैंगो का चटनी, देन मैंगो का लाइक कच्चे आम का बहुत सारे डिशेस होता है, पर राइट मैंगो का मैं कभी मतलब इतना कुछ खाई नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ वैसे का वैसे ही खाई हूँ. बट या बाई डूइंग दिस चैलेंज आई गॉट टू नो सो मेनी थिंग्स. आई इवन हैड रिटन डाउन सो मेनी अदर रेसिपीज़, बट आई डिडंट डू ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड आई रियली लव डूइंग दिस वीडियो बिकॉज मैं इतना कुछ बनाई, इतना कुछ खाई, एंड वो भी इतना फैंसी काइंड ऑफ डिशेज विच आई वुडंट बी डूइंग इफ इट वॉज नॉट फॉर अ वीडियो. बिकॉज एक ही दिन में मतलब कोई खाता नहीं है इतना मैंगोज़ एक ही दिन के लिए. बट फॉर दिस वीडियो आई डिड इट एंड इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ गुड. लाइक इतना कुछ एक ही दिन में. Tomorrow I'll get to know how my body handled this video. But if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay happy. Bye.